So,
Wow, that audio is really bad. I don't know what happened in the first part of this video, so I'm just going to voice over it. So in the beginning of the semester, I forgot that I set up location history or whatever. Like I turned it on, and completely forgot about it. And as you can see here, so this is an entire semester worth of data. But I haven't been able to like see all of it, which is kind of frustrating. This is Google Timeline, where you can view your location history from your phone, basically. And you can see, I can only see like today. And it's just not that useful. So basically what I've done is, if you go to Google Takeout, it allows you to download the data that Google has stored about you, for each application. So I can download location history as a JSON file, and that's when I said location history. I'm like, oh wait a second, I have that turned on. So you can see that it's in this nice JSON format, and it's not some sort of proprietary format, and it's not that difficult to understand. Basically it has a timestamp, a lat and a long, and then for some of these recordings it has like velocity and the accuracy as well as the direction. So the thinking is, it shouldn't be that difficult to read this using just a little bit of JavaScript. And as you can see here, Google provides an API for maps. So I went ahead and got an API key for that. It's like $300 worth of credit for all of Google's cloud platform stuff. And it's really not that difficult, and I was really surprised how nice it is. It requires just a couple of lines, and literally, to create a new map, you create a new map variable. It's not some super complex thing, and yes, you can customize it, but you're not required to put all of that kind of data in. You just give it what you need, and it creates it. And better yet, to create a marker, all you have to do is create a new marker object and give it the map that you want the marker on. And all it takes is a lat and a long. That's literally it. So after multiple failed attempts at figuring out an easy way to load the JSON from a file, all that data just to load it as a file, I just settled on copy and pasting it into the script. It's really not that difficult to load JSON. It literally just takes like 5 lines, but that was 5 lines too many, and I ain't got time for that. The rest of the audio recording is good, so we're just going to switch back to that. Now we just pray that this doesn't break Visual Studio. Okay, cool. So I think if I put that there, okay, maybe something like this. Let's see what Uru, whatever that is. We'll worry about the centering later. So it seems like what we need to do is 4 0 I is less than data dot locations dot. So we do locations dot length. We need that. All right. Good. Okay. So what we need to do now is, we're gonna have a variable locations is equal to data dot locations. We don't have to keep typing data. And then we'll do new. Yeah, we don't actually need to use the variable. We can literally just create a new object. So we'll do maps.marker. So it seems like we pass in JSON. So we do position, or we have to pass in an object with position. So what does the position object look like? Oh, I need that Uru thingy again. Alright, so we'll use that for reference. And we do map. I think that's good. So then if we do something like 0 0, oh, that didn't work. Oh, I need names. Lat 0, what is it, LNG 0. So we create a new marker like that. Or not. Let's comment that out. Let's get rid of this and the whole for loop. And we'll see what that does. Does that give us a marker at 0 0? Yes, it does. Oh, we should check the console, because we probably messed something up. Cannot read property length of undefined. Ooh. Oh, okay, so the object to begin with is an array, and the first element of that array has the locations object attached to it. So now what we can do is we can do locations is equal to data. Well, it's actually that object that we just printed out. So what we need to do is we need to get location 0. There we go. So fingers crossed that should work. So this person cannot read property latitude or wow latitude E7 of undefined. So what happens if we divide by 187? And we divide that by 187. Whoa! Alright, cool. Wow, there are a lot of data points. That's not my phone. That's because my mother's phone, I believe, was logged in. Wow. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna keep in here because that's a lot of data. My college email, right, uses Gmail, and basically, like, to pay tuition and to check on bills and to set up housing and stuff like that, my parents need to log in with my Gmail account, and that obviously saves a cookie. And if you do that on your phone, then essentially it's logged in and it's just gonna sit there using the GPS. Yeah, so basically, obviously this is home, and then if we go to Rochester, you can see this massive amount of data points. It's awesome. Yeah, wow. Okay, so basically, I wish I could, like, because this doesn't have, like, which device it was recorded from, I don't think, which is unfortunate. But yeah, wow, that is incredible. I can't believe how much data is in here. Because, like, this was, what, last week we went to the beach? Wow, okay, so you can see where I spend most of my time. This is basically, like, the dorm that I stay in, and then this is the academic side. I just walk back and forth between here every single day. So that would be going to friends' houses, and then traveling to friends' houses. So if this gives a little bit more context. Yeah, that would be like literally where I am right now. Wow, I can't believe how much data this is. Because I didn't play tennis at all this semester, and then I played a game once, and it literally has it on there, and it has several different points, and I never went on the right side of the court. Like, my phone, because I had my speaker right here, my phone was right here. Well, I think what we can also do is we can check out what other features we have. So we can do visualizing data. That's oh here we go. This is what we want. Okay, so how do we do that? Because I want to do that. How do we do heat map? So we'll do heat map is equal to new empty object. So I forgot about the circles. So we're gonna use the circles real quick. Honestly, the heat map was as impressive as I thought it was going to be. What have I done? Okay. What does that give us? Oh, it worked. Oh, okay. Alright, so that actually worked. Nice. Those are a bit too big, so I set it to 5. There we go. That makes things a little bit. Oh, that's about it. I think.